Oh, it's recording now.
Now. You got that, Riyad. Thank you. Good. So before we finish with the meeting, Riyad, please just stop recording because otherwise it will be recording so we leave. Yeah? Good. Thank you. Okay. So Amin.
Yes,
Aymen,
hello.
please. Hello. Yeah. If you can please introduce yourself and also let us know, why you decided to share with us this topic today.
Yes, sure. Hello, everybody. I am Aymen Masmoudi, an Android engineer based in Tunisia. I work with Yassir here from 7 months, and I work with a wonderful team, Express team, and also you can call us Avengers. I work also with the best leaders here, Mr. Mohammed Hamoud and Maram. I am a self-taught person. I try to reach my goals in life and help and inspire others. And today, my goal is to show and prove that disability is just a challenge, not an obstacle in our life. This is me, and I hope that you enjoy this workshop today. So let's start sharing screen. Just wait. Okay. I hope you see my screen, Catherine.
Yes, we see your screen now. Now we can see also your presentation. Yes.
Okay, nice. So, hello everybody again. So today, as I mentioned, we'll talk about a very important object. First of all, let me thank you for being here today and to give me this opportunity to talk about a very important subject for me, the importance of technology and its impact in life of persons with disability and their existence in the community. But first, let's say that disability is not an obstacle, it's just a challenge in our life, and everybody has his own disability. So, in the end, we are not disabled, we are just differently abled. So, in this presentation, we'll talk about technology with life hacks, technology with disability, and how we can make it easier with Yasir. And we'll talk about accessibility in mobile applications. First of all, technology has made our life much easier, and knowing how to use in our favor and in excellent way to increase our productivity. Technology help people in learning, in finding any information easier, in discovering other nations, making new relationships. So, talking about person with disability, technology gives them one of the best opportunities to learn and to exceed any kind of obstacles. The thing that let them challenge others in any domain and enjoy and success their personal and professional life and to be a motivational source. And we can mention, for example, the successful businessman Nick Vujicic, who born with no arm and no legs, but he could be one of the most inspiring and motivational speakers. And the famous physicist Stephen Hawking. As well, we can't forget to mention some Arabic examples as Shuaib al-Nimri, a mouse developer in Amazon. For example, Khadija Jalouli, the CEO of Hawkar, the first Tunisian car for person with disability, and also Aymen Masmoudi, the mobile developer at Yassir Express Delivery.
You're right. Yes.
Yeah. So for me, technology was the key to a large universe to learn and to challenge myself and to push my capacities to the highest limit until I was nominated for the Golden Prize of Quality and Innovation in Paris 2015. Then I continued challenging myself till I get the prize of the best mobile developer in Tunisia in 2016. And I was the person with disability. I was honored to participate in many events as a motivational speaker, and I was chosen in 2017 to be the mentor in the international challenge, the Health Prize, and to work with many ministers for the benefit of persons with disabilities. And in this year, I was selected to be the Tunisian expert member of the Arab Network for People with Determination Initiative and to be the ambassador of Arab advocacy for persons with disabilities. So, and one of my memorable moments, the one-hand challenge, on which all Yassir revamped team participate and work with just one hand to live the experience and to discover the challenges and the obstacles that people with disability face every day. So let's talk about how we can make life easier with Yassir. First of all, we can talk about the service of Yassir Taxi. It's something that can be very useful if we can define the problem as the time consumed or the way that person with disability can find comfortable to get in the car. And in this case, we can let the client mention in his profile or his request that he need a special car to treat for help. And as technical team, our role is to improve the user experience of any person. So let's say that we can mention that the client has a disability, or make the driver get more income to encourage him, and create a special email address for client with disability reclamations. And here we can talk about some technical features that we can add in our applications. For example, to improve touch target, to increase the screen contrast, and to add the talkback feature to control the application with voice commands. And finally, let's talk about Yassir jobs and how we can hire people with disabilities. For example, we can mention, or we can let the employee mention in the hiring form that he has an handicap and he needs some help from HR department. For example, we can create also a special email address for the candidate that he can use to send some notes before the interview, or we can, and also we can have some HR responsible for people with disabilities. I hope that you enjoy this workshop and this presentation, and I really want to hear from you, your feedback, and how do you think that Yassir can help people with disabilities? And thank you so much.
Thank you, Aymen.
Thank you.
So it was a very good presentation. Good job, Aymen. So I would say that from my side, all the tips that you share, and also I think that the quickest impact that we can do is within the recruitment, right? So having someone who is the responsible within the hiring for people with disabilities, this is something that we can definitely do. Our team is growing, and in January we will have someone who will have like more time. She can also actually have this role, so thank you. We will definitely implement this suggestion. And of course, within the recruitment, there are many more things that we can do, right? Establishing also quotas, also for hiring people with disabilities and so on. We can talk about it. Thanks a lot, Aymen.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I don't know if any others can want to talk or give some advices. It will be so helpful.
Oh, yes, please. Thank you, Julian.
Can I add something, Carolina?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. It's not a question, Aymen, but just to mention something.